Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP DeskJet 3752 printer software on your Windows laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP DeskJet 3752 drivers. Best result, you'll come back with HP DeskJet 3752 all-in-one printer software. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and you want to expand the section in here that says installation software and full/basic driver support. You want to select the item in here that says HP DeskJet and Ink Advantage 3700 all-in-one printer setup software. So you can select that or the online installer. It's just a little smaller, but we're going to select the offline use only and just download that option. You can select either download. I just find that offline installers seem to work a little bit better in my experience because everything's already included in the package. So just give us a moment to finish unpacking here. And then select yes, should be a verified publisher. And give it some time to install. Just follow along with the on-screen directions as it prompts you to go through the steps to configure your printer. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.